Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Guys, there you have it. Creamy shrimp and scallops linguine. Don't it look good? Look delicious. Hey guys, today I will be making shrimp and scallop linguine. And the ingredients I need to finish this recipe is linguine noodles, of course, heavy cream, white wine, cooking wine, a half stick of butter, some real lemon juice. I need some soy oil and virgin extra olive oil, some parsley flakes. You can use fresh parsley if you want to when you're making it. I also have black pepper, some salt, creole seasoning, crushed red peppers, and of course minced garlic. And the final ingredients that we will definitely need are shrimp and of course a pound of scallops. Okay everyone, I am going to start the process. I'm actually going to put the olive oil in it, in the pan, a little olive oil, and the water which is boiling for the noodles. Tablespoon in there. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the olive oil inside of the actual pan for the shrimp and scallops that I'm going to saute. Once this heats up a little bit, I'm going to actually add the half stick of butter. It's about close to a half. I'm going to add this and mix it all together. Then I'm going to add the garlic flakes. Okay, now I added the butter to it. Going to let that mix around a little bit. Mix it around. So going to add the garlic to it. Let it cook in there kind of medium. Not get it too high. Okay, one. Put my noodles in here. You know, a lot of people don't. I'll bring it like that. Keep things higher noodle. Look it warm. Cooks down a little bit and turn it. I usually break them, but I'm going to actually do the whole noodle today. Shell some shrimp. Okay, I'm going to start adding shrimp and the scallops, and then I'm saute, turn this up a little bit, and then I'm actually cook on each side for a little bit. Now I have about 31 shrimp here. My noodles are actually starting to go in. Finish putting these scallops in. This is a lot of seafood. Maybe I should have got a bigger pan, but it'll be okay. It will be okay. What I'm gonna do is got a teaspoon of black pepper. Teaspoon of salt to give it flavor. Some creole seasoning. About a teaspoon of that. I actually added paprika, smoked paprika to the ingredients. And I'm going to give that half a teaspoon as well. Oh, I got a shell. Fresh peppers. I'm going to add a half teaspoon as well. Some lemon juice. About a tablespoonful. I'm going to add some parsley. This is actually not fresh, but it's in there with it. Keep the noodles in here for approximately 7 to 10 minutes till it's tender enough to your liking. It smells good, guys. I'm gonna mix it around so they're all in the same place. No need to be selfish, everybody. Has to cook well. Has to get it cooked well. That smells so good. Look at it. See that? Just continue to cook so it's all sauteed. And we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. You see all the juices that were left over from the actual shrimps and scallops that I sauteed. I am now, the noodles are back here. They should be done in the next 2 minutes. But want to add, look at the wine. A cup of wine to this. Cup of white wine. Yes. Woo! Great smell. Then I'm going to add the heavy cream. 2 cups of heavy cream. It already got all that extra seasoning in it. So we really need to just let this heat for about 3 minutes. Now we have some progress, guys. Now we have some progress. Okay, guys, now the noodles are done. So we're going to drain the noodles. Okay, all the noodles, get them all out. Shake. All my noodles are actually drained. and we'll go to the next step. Guys, now that the noodles are actually done, we are going to dump it in the sauce. This has been cooking for about 3 minutes, the sauce. Noodles all in the sauce. Stir it in. It's a creamy sauce. Remember that, guys. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna actually add all the seafood. Let that simmer. Yes, let it simmer. It smells so good. Look at it, guys. Gonna look so scrumptious. Guys, there you have it. Creamy shrimp and scallops linguine. Don't it look good? Look delicious.